What is up guys, my name is Tala, you're watching Gadgetsphere. So today I'm going to tell you the hidden tips and tricks of Moto 1 action. This is the part 2. Okay, so it's gonna be a super awesome video, stick around till the end and let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you the camera features that I haven't tell you before. So you have to go here towards this side, this 6-dot icon, and then you can see these are the camera features. So you have slow motion, time lapse. So let me first tell you cinematograph. So it actually takes a video and you can select which part of the video you want to move, and then it will work. So it is a very new feature in the Moto 1 action. It is not present in any other smartphone, just believe me. So how does it work? So to use this feature, you need to just first mark the settings and do it. Scribble where you want the motion to happen and where you don't want. So just let me scribble it here, and then you can see save in the preview. You can see this is how it works. So I didn't make it really good, but it is a really good and awesome feature. I think everyone should at least give it a try, and you can get in some of the best results you have ever got. Then let me tell you one more feature of the Moto 1 action. This is the time lapse. So a lot of you guys don't know that the time lapse is there, and then you can also select the speed like 4x, 8x, 16x and 32x. So yeah, the time lapse is really good. And you know one more feature, that is it works on all the 3 cameras, but it does not work in the front. Then let's talk about the slow motion. Slow motion also works on all the 3 cameras. Here we have the back camera, main camera. Then you can use it from the front camera. As you guys can see, it can even work from the front camera, and it can also work from the greatest camera of this smartphone. That is, yes my friends, the action camera. You can even use the slow motion from the action camera, and it works pretty well. So I just love that it can work from the action camera. Then let me tell you one more feature, that is this thing, what we call it. Let me show you. We have here again, let me show you, time lapse also works from the action camera. Lot of you guys don't know that time lapse works from the action camera, so I thought let me just tell you it also works. Then let me show you spot color. So what it actually does is you just have to spot something and then adjust the color. So the thing you will spot will have color, and the things behind it will have no color. It is also a very good and amazing feature. I think everyone should at least give it a try. Then let me show you one Instagram feature that is present in every smartphone. So what you have to do, first, this is my ID _gadgets_sphere. If you have not followed me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram, and from here I can also answer your queries and questions. Then go in account, then go here contact syncing, and then you have to enable this. So anyone who will be in your contacts of the Instagram will be able to contact you, and you can follow him, and you will get to know who is in your Instagram account and whom you can follow. It is a very good feature of Insta, so I thought I should just share it with you. So that's what I did. Then lots of you guys asked that how do I record screen. So this is the screen recorder, and I'm gonna tell you the whole process, how I record, which settings I use, how to record internal audio and all that. So first of all, open Play Store, and in Play Store you have to search screen recorder, no ads. So let me just type in screen. As you guys can see, screen recorder, no ads. You have to download this one, the no ads one by Kimsey 929, and then here you have to click on the left 3 dots that is just below the hole punch. You guys can see, just click on the left 3 dots, and here go in settings. In settings, I will show you the settings I used to record. So resolution full HD plus, okay, resolution should be this much. Then you can do the bitrate, the highest, because the higher the bitrate, the better the quality will be. Then you can go and do the frame rate. I do it 60, you can do it 90 and 120, it does not matter, but 60 I think works the most stable. And then the audio part, it is very important. Press on record audio, and here then just scroll down, and you will see this mic option. Just enable and do the audio source to mic. If you will do internal sound, it will not work. Okay, now let me show you this Panaroma. It is also a really amazing feature of the Moto 1 action. It can take in some of the really good Panaroma photos. So yeah, the Panaroma mode also works really well, and I just love it. These are the hidden features of Moto 1 action. Hope you like this video and share it with your friends and families. This is it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Signing off.